In this video we are going to talk about the best GoPro car mount in this year, which is JOBY Suction Cup with GorillaPod arm. We will be going over the special key features of this product and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. Captures superior perspectives. Look at life from a different point of view as you mount this suction cup action camera mount to any non-porous purpose. The flexible GorillaPod arm maneuvers 360 degrees, letting you get the angle you want for the shot you need. Quick twist lock. Just twist and turn a quarter turn to the right as you feel the lock click into place, right beneath your fingertips. Let your GoPro or other action sports camera hold on tight. With this suction cup, it's not going anywhere. Mix and match. Innovative, high-tech, and easy to use. This JOBY suction cup with GorillaPod arm is ultra versatile. The modular design and removable arm and mount allows you to mix and match using the universal 1/4 inch 20 screw design. Ready for adventure. We know your travels take you far and wide. The industrial strength suction locks into place while the GoPro tripod quick release mount and GorillaPod arm keep your equipment safe and secure, no matter where life takes you. Stick-on strong. Made of medical-grade ABS plastic, stainless steel, and TPE, it's made for the wear and tear of everyday life, or the rigor of adventure. Move beyond the selfie as you set your tripod up on the toughest terrain, getting you the best shots. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you like the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.